Hey guys, good morning. Guys, if you can see my screen, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started. Okay, great. So let's get started, guys. So in the last session, we have discussed about authentication pop-ups, and now we are at this handling application web push notifications. For Chrome options, we have seen, and I gave you an assignment also, I think so. Disable the web push notifications in Firefox and Edge browser. Were you able to succeed, guys? Anyone able to succeed in this assignment? Guys, anyone has done this assignment and was able to disable the web push notifications in Firefox and Edge browser? Anyone from the batch? Okay. So what I'm going to do now here is first I'm going to show you how to disable the web push notifications in Firefox and Chrome browser. Already Firefox and Edge browser. Chrome browser is already done. If you can see here, for Chrome browser, we already have written the script, I guess so. Where is web push notification here? And the script is like this for the Chrome browser. Okay, it will disable the notifications, and when you run this script, so when you run this script, you will not get any notifications, the push notifications, which generally come when you don't disable the notifications, right? I've run the script. The Chrome browser has launched. We'll open the jestal.com. And whatever the web push notifications that will come here in the Chrome browser that are not going to come anymore. What if I simply remove these options that have applied here? We can see the web push notification here, right? Right click run as Java application. And you can see the web push notification now. Because I removed the options which are applied, which are passed to as an argument for this Chrome driver constructor. We have removed that argument, options argument, for which disabled notifications have been applied. So ultimately, we'll get the web push notifications now. Is the script running or not? Let's see. Yeah, script is running. Let's wait for the browser to launch first. So this time when you are not disabling the notifications, what's happening? Let's see. Are the web push notifications coming? Yes, Just Dial wants to show notifications. These are the notifications we have disabled here by applying these options and passing them to the Chrome driver constructor. So everyone was clear with that, right? Everyone was clear with this, right? How to disable the web push notifications in Chrome browser, clear? Everyone clear with how to disable the web push notifications in Chrome browser? Just type C in the chat box if you are clear. We'll also try in Chrome browser, Edge browser like that, okay? That's the thing. And there is some additional, when we go into advanced level, right? Once frameworks and everything are done, right? As part of weekend initiatives, we'll also start something like additional Selenium thing, okay? We cannot do this as part of, general Selenium regular sessions, but maybe on weekends or something, we have to try that out, where we are going to start this additional topics on Chrome browser. Like a lot of things are like auto IT, robot, okay, like that. Many things are there. So that additional R&D will move on to the weekends, okay, in the coming days. But for now, the general basic stuff we'll do that here. General things, not basic, but general things, okay. So how to do that in Firefox? Let's try that in Firefox browser, guys, okay. Disabling web push notifications, Firefox demo. The main method, how to launch the Firefox browser here. Firefox driver is equal to new Firefox driver. Firefox driver is equal to new Firefox driver. Control Shift O, and here driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, then driver dot get. Okay, driver dot get. I'll give the application URL of that justdial.com. Same thing. Justdial.com application URL I'll give here also. Let's see what happens by default in Firefox. Is Firefox giving us a notification or not? Let's see that first. Let's see whether the Firefox browser is giving the notifications for us. Yeah, allow justdial.com to access your location. Allow or block is coming. I want to disable this notification. I want to disable this notification. Okay. So for that, what I will do here is, before this, I'll create an object for like Chrome options. I'll say Firefox options. Options is equal to new Firefox options. Like this, I'll create an object for the Firefox options. I'll say Control Shift O, and then say options dot add arguments. And here I'll put double quotes and say hyphen disable hyphen notifications. Will this work? Will this work if I run the script? Will the notification will not come now? Guys, will this work? No. Why? We have to pass these options, Firefox options, for which we have applied disable notifications as an argument to this Firefox driver constructor. Run this now. When you run that, you can see that happening now. Yes, correct, Mayuri. Options should be passed to the driver. Let's see this time what will happen, whether it will disable the notifications after passing the options for which disable notifications is applied here. Let's wait. Okay, it's still coming now. It's still coming. As you can see here, it's still coming. We are not able to disable the notifications in Firefox browser, even after disabling the notifications here. Have I written everything correct? Is there any mistake? Hyphen disable hyphen notifications. Firefox options. Options is equal to new Firefox options. Options dot add arguments. Disable hyphen note. It looks everything good, but still in Firefox browser notifications are still coming. Even after I pass these options to the constructor, still I'm getting, guys. Okay. It's not working in Firefox browser. Let's try it again. Let's do some R&D on this, because it's not just for Chrome browser, right? We have to also disable the notifications in Firefox browser also. Okay, it's still coming. Allow justdial.com to access your location is still coming, guys. What can we do? Okay. So we'll take the help of ChatGPT here. The basic solution we know here, but it's not working in Firefox browser. Let's go to ChatGPT. How to disable web push notifications in Firefox browser in Selenium Java. Okay, we have to follow other ways anyhow. Step 1, create a new Firefox profile with desired preferences. Okay, I don't think this is required. Let's see. Then this profile we have to pass to Firefox options, and that options we have to pass to this Okay, let's see whether that is required. I think these are the dependencies we are already using. Disable web push notifications, Firefox profile. DOM web notifications enabled is equal to false. It's Firefox profile. There are some extra things that we have to do in Firefox browser. So you, with the help of the way is different. This way is not working. So this way is not working. So we'll do a different way. But they are suggesting that is Firefox profile. Let's create a class for Firefox profile. Profile is equal to, not everything will be same, right? You see, for every browser, we have to think new Firefox profile. Firefox profile is equal to new Firefox profile, and import this Firefox profile from Selenium library. And then here, what they are saying, profile dot, there's a command like set preference. We are creating a new Firefox profile, and in that profile, we are setting the preference. Profile dot set preference. In that preference, we are giving DOM dot web notifications dot enabled, DOM dot web notifications, right? Notifications dot enabled. This preference we have to set to false here. We have to set that to false. Now this one, this profile, we have to pass to Firefox options, I guess. I think so. Let's see. No, not there. Not here. Options dot set profile is there. We have to set the profile, set profile. And in that, we have to pass this profile. Whatever the profile for which we have disabled the web push notifications, right? That profile we have to pass. And these options we have to pass on to the Firefox driver. Now let's run this script and see whether this code is working or not, first of all. So it's not similar to what Chrome driver thing is, right? Chrome driver directly we can disable the web push notifications, but Firefox, we have to create a profile, and for that profile, we have to set the web push notifications, and that profile we have to set that profile for the Firefox options, and that options we have to pass to the Firefox driver constructor. Let's see whether this web push notification will come. Still it is coming, guys. The crazy thing is still it is coming. It's not working. Yeah. Okay, Nigora has pasted something. Firefox options, new Firefox options. Okay. Is that working, Nigora, for you? Instead of profile thing? Is that code working for you? Okay, chat GPT again. Okay. Options dot add preference. Right? This is what you have written, right, Nigora? Options dot add preference. Uh, DOM dot web notifications dot enabled. DOM dot web notifications dot enabled, and here I'll say false. And these options already I'm giving here. Let's run this script and see. We are trying different options, but it is not working. That's okay. Things will happen like this in real time also. We have to do some R&D and get the solutions. Script running already? I think so. Okay, script is running now. I'll just stop it. I'll just run it again. Right click, run as Java application. We have to figure out, like in Firefox options, what is the way to, disable that web push notifications, which is not working the default way. Let's see if we are successful. No, not yet. Nigara, your chat GPT code is also not working. Okay. The above is not working. Okay, there's something here. Use a custom profile when launching Firefox. That's okay. We are already doing that. Custom profile path, they are asking us to give string profile path. Where is the profile path being used then? Okay, here. System.set property. Okay, this one we don't need nowadays, right? So path to your custom profile and replace path to your with your path to your keycode driver. I don't want to do that. Okay, please ensure you have the correct path and version of keycode driver and okay. I don't want to do that. Okay, there's one more thing given. DOM dot push enabled is equal to false. Yeah, let's try that. One more thing, right? One more option is coming here. Yes, let's see that what Nigora has given in the chat. Options dot add preference DOM dot push dot enabled is equal to false. Also, we are trying this time. Hey, oh, it's not working yet. Okay, yeah. After all, trying all the stuff, it's not working, right, Nicola? So let's see. Let's see. Did I do anything here? I don't remember exactly. Yeah, maybe someone has faced the problem maybe earlier. Enabled Firefox profile. They created set preference false and Chrome. Yeah, that's okay. 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 Options dot set profile. New Firefox profile. Options dot add preference. Let's try all the possibilities that are coming here. Let's try, guys. What's the matter? There's for Python, there's a thing they said. For this one, they said this one. Okay, we'll go here and try this one also. What's the matter? And wherever our luck lands, we should be able to do it. I don't think this will. I don't know. Let's see. We're setting a profile like this directly. That we have done it different way earlier. But this will not work. Maybe this same code that we have written in a shortcut way. Okay. So our investigation is going on. It's not working yet. So I'll do one thing. I'll just go to the official documentation of Selenium library, selenium.dev, documentation. Is there any way to search this? Selenium manager, web push notification, I have to search. Otherwise, I'll simply say selenium.dev, selenium.dev, Firefox options, Firefox options, disable web push notifications. Let's search like this and see what will come. Uh-huh. Firefox profile is deprecated. Should not be using that. We can use Firefox option in the below way. Okay, that is not working though. Latest content we need basically. How to disable web push notifications in Firefox? Remove disable web push notification. Let's see what is there here. This is not related to Selenium, but DOM push enabled false that we are doing, right? Okay, I think we are not doing that. We'll do that and not help with notification sent from CD and sent from DOM here. The only alternative I have to find is block sense false using add block plus. Okay, what is that? Maybe there is an issue with Firefox browser itself. Okay, does it help? Let's go and see. Okay. They are showing in the form of UI, but we have to find in the form of Selenium. Everyone keep trying that, guys. Do some R&D. Okay, here you see this for desired keyboard is actually there's a older code. Earlier we used to have desired capabilities. Now we don't want to use that. Fire best Selenium code symbol Firefox options dot add arguments. Options dot add arguments. Okay. Not this one is required. No sandbox. Disable notifications. Disable GU. Okay, what is this for? Got it. Headless and all the stuff. No. No. Solutions here. Otherwise, we'll do one thing. I'll say Firefox options. Selenium Java. Firefox options. Directly go to the official website of Selenium. Selenium.dev. File browser start home page. Many will be there anyhow. But okay, no. Firefox options, Selenium Java, disable web push notifications, not working. 9th April 2018, that will be old. But maybe the chain may be 4 years. Latest Firefox browser version is not support. Okay, there is some comment. I don't want to use that. Without that, I want to. This is July 4, maybe this one. Add arguments. This is old one. Firefox profile is an old one, but we'll see what is there here. DOM push enabled is equal to false should be there. DOM web notification should be false should be there. Using Firefox option, we have to do that. Options dot set preference. We have to do. Options dot add preference or set preference, whatever it is. Options dot add preference. Yeah, what is the other preference we have? DOM push enabled false. Here false. Here options I am passing. Let's try this. We'll keep trying some adding more things to it. Maybe it will may work. We'll do that. Mostly here it may not work at this point, but let's see that. Gone. I test. Okay. This is something latest, it seems. Chrome options. Oh no, I don't want Chrome. I want Firefox. Let's see the manual one also, meanwhile, what they are setting and all. Searching website, what is the push notification that can surround background? Okay. Share on a website. Let's go with ChatGPT. It looks very complex. Abo is not working. See what it will say. They're asking us to set the Geeko driver. Without Geeko driver, it's not possible or not.
Yes, sir. And I think I send it in the group also. One YouTube video from 6th minute onwards, you can see. We have to set that gecko driver manually.
Otherwise, it's not working.
Correct, correct.
Okay, okay. Let me see. What is the timeline you mentioned? Minute
Sixth,
6?
yeah, 6th minute
Okay,
onwards.
okay, I'll see.
They are fixing with key value paste.
Mhm. When the video 4 years ago, we don't have the latest. DOM web push notification enabled is one option. That's correct. Just also give me a try. Just give me a second. Firefox web push notification, Firefox. I created anything here. Selenium and browser configurations. I did something there, but okay. Handling web push notification. The one above once only. I think you have to watch this one once. Selenium, Firefox, Chrome, and IE browsers are there. What is this video? Selenium and browser configuration. To have that, I don't know. Just give me a second. What's the video? I'll do one thing. Easiest way for now to get it is this one. You'll also see this one. Don't worry, we'll find a solution today. Any cost. But this is a old video, guys. Okay, so I'm just thinking whether I have to go with old one or new one. Because now Selenium Manager came. So why I am reluctant to go with, the Chrome Gecko driver thing now. Okay, simple. Hmm? Yeah, here we have handling notifications. Let's see whether this video has a solution. Because long back I have worked. Again, handling notifications is there here. Okay, maybe it's repeated. Maybe. This is for Chrome browser actually. Okay, this is for Firefox browser. Okay, how much time do you take, please? Meanwhile, we can watch this also to see if we are missing any other things. DOM.webpush notifications.enabled. DOM.webpush notifications.enabled. False, we have done that. That's correct. And then Here DOM web notifications require interaction dot count is there. DOM web notifications require interaction dot enabled is equal to false. DOM. Okay. Maybe we have to set more notifications. Maybe that's what I'm thinking. What happened to this? It's taking no time. No, it will be there. Selenium Java, Firefox options, disable web push notifications. No one had worked in the market. 11th, 2017. Here 2024. Let's write. Let's see what will happen. Till old one is coming. Okay, Mahesh, I'll look into that. That is for Chrome options, right, Mahesh? We want for Firefox. Whatever you pinged is for Chrome options. Hello everyone, welcome to session 96 of Selenium training. Hmm. Yeah, here you can see. Okay, this is the old one still. Fine. Okay, profile 2 dot set preference DOM. If it works fine, we can do that. False. For the profile, we are setting the notification. That profile we are passing here. Profile INI, all profiles is called new profile INI. All profiles dot get profile of some profile we are getting. Maybe some profile issue. We'll try that. Profile INI, all profiles is equal to new profile INI. Control Shift O. No, oh, not working. Profile, sorry. Profiles for the mouse. Selenium Firefox. Done. Then next, all profiles dot get profile 2. That means did I set any profile here? 1 minute. I'm telling you. Then on profiles, dot get profile. You have to repeat it again and give the name of the profile you want to launch. Using the Selenium code. Profile to name of the profile that you want to launch. You can type this Firefox profile. Right? Okay. Okay, just give me some time, guys. Okay, there is some profile we have to create. So click on this, what's coming. Browser is coming, or yeah, profile is coming. I have to remove that -p. I created one profile here. I'll tell you what I've done. I don't know whether this will work or not. We are trying all possibilities. Here we have to we have to pin this Firefox to a taskbar first. Okay. So if you have the Firefox browser installed, you just say Firefox and right click here and select pin to taskbar. If it is already pinned, you will get unpinned. Otherwise, you pin it. So you'll get it here. After that, right click on this and select this Firefox is there now. Right click on that and go to properties. And here at the end, you had -p. Okay. So when you click on this time browser will not launch. This particular browser will not launch. Rather, a new profile will launch. So what I will do here is if I click on this, you see the profile dialog. Instead of browser, this create user profile will launch. And here you can create a new profile. Any number of profiles you can create, profile X, profile Y, like that. You can create any number of profiles. Okay. After that, you just exit it. Done. And then again go here, right click here, just say properties and remove that -p, otherwise you'll not get the browser launching next time. Apply and say okay. This time normal browser only will launch. Normal browser only will launch, I guess so. Let's see. I think is it launching my any profile or a normal browser? Well, right click again, say profiles, properties, -p again. I have to say to get the profiles and see which profile is set by default. Let's see here. Right click. Uh, just click on this after setting that -p. This profile is set default release or something. I'll say and default or something. I'll say exit and then click on this again. It will come. Which one is set? Okay. Use a selected profile without asking a start Firefox. Okay, done. Is it our profile or a different profile? We have to see. Selenium ID is there. It's our add-ons are there. So it's our profile. I feel so. Right click. Again, I click on this. Okay, again, we are getting that. I don't remember whether I have used default or default release. Just give me a second. We are working on profiles to see what profile we have. This doesn't look like our profile. So right click. I just click on that. You will get profiles. And default release profile only we have to take and say use the selected profile without asking. Click on start. This should be our default profile. That's okay because we have this extension. That is our profile. We can say now I'll go here. We have profile X and profile Y also created. Right click here. Go to properties. Remove that -p. Otherwise, every time you'll get that profile dialog. Now go here and click on this browser. You should get the default profile, default release profile every time. Yeah, our own thing is coming. That's okay. But apart from that, what we have to do is something. Profile thing is clear. But what are the settings we have to do is something it's not clear yet. You see? Okay, we'll write the code now. All profiles dot get profile of which profile? All profile dot get profile of profile X. I'll say profile X I created, right? Profile X I'll create. I created. And I'll name is as profile X. Profile X is equal to Firefox profile X. Okay. Then in the Firefox option, we have to say options dot set profile. I think so. Set profile and profile X already defaultly coming, so no problem. Firefox options dot set profile of profile X. Then here profile, you see, disable the web push notifications. We have to say profile to dot set preference. Where that we have tried, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, give me a second. Yeah. Just give me a second. This all we cannot remember, guys. We have to, copy paste the stuff. Okay. And whichever is working, you see profile to dot set preference of that profile we are passing here simply. So let's try the same thing here. Profile X, profile X dot set preference. I think that's the thing, right? Set preference of DOM web push notification enabled. Same thing now. DOM web push notification enabled, false. DOM web push notification. Here I have to say false. And now We have to set this profile here, options dot set profile, profile X. We have to say these are not required. I think that options we have to give here. Here they have used WebDriver Manager Firefox. So I don't know. I think we have done our level best with my previous video, and let's see whether this will work or not. Still, if it doesn't work, then we are in a big situation where we have to do a lot more R&D on this. This is how the challenges will come in real time, guys. Okay. When you face this kind of challenges, you should not lose the fight. We have to keep fighting. Until we get the solution, we have to keep fighting, guys. Hope for the best. No, it's not working yet. After so much of fighting, also, we are getting the web push notification. So something is going off. I set the profile X and here options. Any other thing was there here? Profile X dot. Otherwise, we'll do one thing. Don't need that basically. That what if I write WebDriver manager dot the WebDriver manager library. Selenium manager is something new which is changed. Only one line is there that is different from my code. That is WebDriver manager dot Firefox driver dot setup. Remaining all is same. So we'll do one thing. We'll try to take some help from WebDriver manager and see if that works. Okay, profile and profiles. Nigora has typed some thing. Get profile default. I don't want. Okay, set preference. This is false. We have done. Okay, one more set profile. Okay, okay. Yeah, we'll try that Nigora before going there. Maybe it may work. This one I'll remove. I'll also have one more solution of WebDriver manager. Before that, whatever Nigora has typed, let's try that. DOM web push notification, web push enabled is called false also we'll make. Profile X dot set preference. Okay, this is there, false. Now let's see. Right click run as. Let's try this after adding this DOM push enabled false. Still, if it is not working, we can go with the next one. It will launch the new profile for us instead of our own local profile. Anyhow, it will do that. See whether it is working or not. Yeah, it's still not working. So let's go to the next step. Okay, so two steps are done. Then here options dot set capability is there that I'll try to do. So where is that options dot set capability? Options dot set capability. Capability type. Import this from Selenium library. Okay. This is okay. This one is not there. Unexpected alert behavior. Change to unhandled prompt behavior. Let's see. I'll first set the profile here. Then run it. Oh, two times I have set. Sorry. Chop it forcibly and run it again. Let's see what happens. Still coming. No issues, no worries. Okay. Firefox, then Get profile. Where did you apply the INIs? It's not there here. That's not working. So I'll try the last option then. It's not working like this. I'll keep these two things. That's good. And we have set the profile also. But the another thing that I want to do here is instead of all this stuff, I'll do WebDriver manager thing. For that, I'll go to pom.xml file. Here, you have to go to this one. That is like MVN repository and search for WebDriver manager. Click on this Boni Garcia. From Boni Garcia, I have to take and take the latest one. February 21st is the last one. It came and copy this. Come back here and go here and put the dependency tags here for WebDriver manager and save this and come back here and then write down WebDriver manager dot. Is it working or not? Okay, it's still doing some stuff here. Let's wait. Should not be taking help of WebDriver manager still, but I want the solution to be with Firefox options only. I think a lot of R&D is left out there. We have created the profile. We got the profile. All the profiles we got from all profiles. We got that profile. We have set the profile. And that profile, we have set the preferences also, but still it is not working. Yeah, now I'll type WebDriver manager dot. Yeah, now it's coming Firefox driver dot setup. Let's add this extra line and see what's happening. Right click run as Java application. Yeah, Firefox browser has launched. Looks like so. No, 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 no. It's not working, guys. Even after that, also not working. We tried all the ways, but it's not working. Change Selenium Java dependency version to 14.9, 4.19. Okay. Yeah, we'll try that, Nigora. No problem. Set profile, right? Profile X, file X dot set preference, disable, DOM disable before unload. And this is not working anyhow. So I'll just comment it for a while. If required, we'll uncomment. No, not working, Nigora. All ways we tried. Maybe there is a problem with Firefox browser only, it looks like. Because this was working earlier, it's not working now. Okay, based on this latest Selenium manager, it's not working. Maybe we can change the versions and try also. Someone has said some version issues, right? 4.19.1. What is 4.19.1 is the latest version. Okay. So let's try that out. Save this. The latest version of Selenium. Let's try that. Boni Garcia is, let's keep it for a while. Let's go here. Control Shift O. Yeah, run the code, right click run as Java application.
Hello.
Yes.
Actually, your Java version is older because now currently the Java Selenium support 8.2, 1.8 onwards, and your version of Java is still 1.7. That will be also affect functionality.
You meant to say that the older version of Java is not supported here?
Yes, I think. Can you change JRE system library to 1.8 or 21?
I don't think that will be a problem because Selenium doesn't have to support not do that, right? Okay, fine. Let's do something on this. And solutions are also not there for it. I'll do one thing. I'll just do on YouTube search finally for Firefox options. Maybe someone has done some R&D on this because ChatGPT is giving old solution, and this happens, guys. No, happens, guys. Mute. Okay, Kumari. Okay, let's mute. Firefox options, web push notifications, Selenium, Java. Okay. Let's see if anyone has created any latest video on this. This 4 years video. This is 2 years. Mine also is 2 years back. Latest one we want. Everyone is, yeah. Okay. This video you have watched, right? So anything we thought of
Yes.
watching this, right? So this one we have not done it much. So we'll see here what we can do. But it is an older video, but let's see what happens there. Any clues or something we'll get. Let's directly go to the code and see. Yeah. Okay. System.set property, this older one. So they have set the path. Now no one is using echo driver. We don't have to download and do that, but let's see the arguments, what arguments they are passing. Based on that, we can decide. Okay, add preference. Options.add preference. Only one preference they have done. One minute. No changes there, basically. We'll set the profile, and instead of setting the preferences here, what if we try option dot add preference, and same preferences will repeat here for second time. Options dot add preference. That's the only preference, right? Add preference. Yeah. Now options dot add preference. Copy this three things. Okay. The settings check the box next to block new request asking to access your locations. Okay. They have changed this. This mail prevent only the sites with granted location permissions. Okay. Let's do one thing. Instead of web push notifications, let's try a different way. That is how to disable. What is that? Next.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, can you change ChatGPT to Gemini because ChatGPT is giving the older response.
Yeah, because if we have to go with the latest thing, right, we have to go with ChatGPT 4, which is paid
Yes.
one, right?
Yes, you can go also for Gemini one.
We can also go for
Gemini, Google Gemini.
Google Gemini is already by default coming here, right? It's not like when you Google search, it's coming, right? How to disable location preferences notification in Selenium Java for Firefox browser. For Firefox browser. Let's search like this. Okay, I'll do one thing. Keep adding all the stuff. Google Gemini has given this one and this link also. Location popups. All the things they are giving for Chrome browser, right? Not Firefox. No one is teaching on Firefox. This is the challenge, guys. This is a challenge. Definitely, this is a very big challenge. Someone asks you what is the challenge you faced in real time, then you have to say this. This is working, Nigora, or you're just... Is this working for you? This unexpected alert behavior is not there, it seems, size. Unexpected prompt behavior is there, but unexpected alert behavior is not there here. Unable to get that unexpected alert behavior. Okay. Still coming. Okay, then looks like this needs some R&D to be done. It will take some more time. Let's figure out later. So we have to keep this into pending list. Okay. We tried all the ways, but it's not working yet. So only one way is like setting manually Gecko driver or something, but that is a old version, guys. Okay, that we should not be following now. Now we are in the age of Selenium manager. So with the Selenium manager only, we have to get it done. You should not be setting some things, etc. Okay. We did with profile, we did with Firefox options. Maybe no solution is there online also, that straightforward solution. But we'll keep searching for the solution meanwhile. And in meanwhile, we can try this the other browser also. If that is also not working, we can do it tomorrow. Okay. So let's try the last one, disable web push notifications, web push notifications, Edge browser with main method. Edge driver is equal to new Edge driver. Driver.manage.window.maximize driver.get. Provide the same application URL. Here, write edge options is equal to new edge options, Control Shift O, options dot add arguments, hyphen, disable hyphen, notifications. Then pass these options here. Then run the code. Should open the Edge browser. Code running, yes. Edge browser will open and see whether we are getting that notifications or not. Yeah, notifications are not coming here, but without that, are we getting the notifications is something we have to see. I'll remove these options here and run the code. If you are getting notification, then we can confirm that notifications are getting disabled here. It should be a very simple option for Firefox browser. Why, I don't know. The Firefox browser is behaving like that, but that R&D need to be done. But for now, we'll learn whatever that comes our, and whatever we cannot do, right? We can take it to the R&D section. And normally also you are not getting web push notifications. I removed these options also, still not getting, right? I don't know whether this is actually, okay, here it's coming maybe. 1 minute. Right click, run as Java applications. Anyhow, I'm not getting anything. Don't know whether it is working fine or not also. So I have to try this one also later. We have to do take a different website and try this where notifications are coming, notifications are not coming, because whether you give options or not, it's not coming. It's another challenge now to get the notifications when Okay. Fine. So we'll end it here, guys. Our room is still left out, the things are not working fine. Handling web push, notifications in Firefox and Edge browser. It's still pending R&D. Okay. We tried our level best, but ultimately we didn't find any solution. Okay. Ultimately we didn't find any solution. We'll keep this open for the future days and, we'll try to get it somehow. Okay. If anyone can try that out in your free time and, then get a solution, that will be great. Keep trying, guys. Keep trying different solutions behind this session. And if anyone, even I will be trying. If anyone gets a solution, let's discuss that in the meeting. You can share in the meeting. Okay. Then tomorrow's session. Is that fine? Guys, is that fine? But thing is that we have learned a lot of things. Even though we didn't get the solution, in today's session, we have learned something about Firefox profiles, you see, right? We have learned about Firefox profiles, how to create Firefox profile and launch a particular Firefox profile in, that kind of things we have learned, okay? So we cannot say that the session is useless still if we don't get the solution, but the way we are trying to search, the way we are trying to explore, way we are trying to figure out the solutions is learning. Okay. In today's sessions, even though we didn't get any proper solution for web push notifications in Firefox and Edge browser, we have learned a lot during this process, like how to explore and how to troubleshoot, how to get solutions. Someone has given the links from GitHub, someone has given from Stack Overflow. We checked all the options, we tried multiple options. Okay. And we reached a point where, we learned a lot of stuff indirectly. Okay. Directly, we have not learned, but indirectly, during this process, we have learned a lot of things. So anyhow, no session is useless. Even though we don't get the solution, also useless, not useless. So it's pending R&D. I'm just moving this into pending R&D. If we get solutions in between, we'll work on it. Otherwise, we'll move on to tomorrow we'll directly move on to the next topic, guys. Okay, by keeping that as pending R&D for Firefox and Edge browsers. Okay, so I want you guys to do some R&D on behalf. Okay, for now. Yeah. Any questions? Any doubts, guys? Any other questions or doubts? Any questions or doubts? Guys, any questions or doubts from today's session? Can ask me meanwhile. Okay, no doubts. Okay. Keep trying for the solution, guys. Maybe we'll get, because on the internet, no solutions are there. We can't do much, right? Sometimes there will not be any solution. Okay. But that may obstruct us or stop us during our Selenium automation. Still, that notification will break us during the Firefox. So I'll also figure out, I'll check with my friend circles if they have any solution for that. Meanwhile, also, okay. Because the people who are working in real-time company, somehow they have to get rid of that. Otherwise, they cannot proceed further, right? So let me find it out from my friends and circles at same time. So what I wanted to do here is, okay, got it. I'll just open a normal application. And here I'll say Firefox options is equal to new Firefox options, Control-Shift-O, options dot set profile. What if I set the profile as what is the profile I have? Right click, properties. Anyhow, we have learned something about profiling. Okay, today, whatever the profile we want to launch, can we launch or not is something we have learned. This part we have learned something new today. Instead of default release is a current profile. The same profile I want to launch in Firefox browser. So I'll say default hyphen release here profiles and I or something. I don't remember. Profiles is equal to new profiles ni. How to get all profiles? Import profiles dot get profile. Profile name I'll give it here. The semicolon. This will get default release profile is equal to over the mouse create local variable. This one come back here and put it here and set profile and apply these options here and let's see we can launch our default profile in the Firefox automation or not. During real automation, can we launch our default profile which has some add-ons or extensions like Selenium ID add-on is there, selector sub add-on is there. Let's see whether that is works or not. Okay. Just wait for some time. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Meanwhile, guys, I'm trying something out regarding the profiles. Launching a specific profile in Selenium automation is something I'm just working on. Yeah, you see, I can launch my local browser. Can you see that, guys? I can launch my local browser, right? You see Selenium ID extension is coming and this is coming. If I don't give options here, and normally run it, you will not get that extensions. Local profile you will not get. That's one thing anyhow you have learned today. Okay, at least we have learned something today that, but we are unable to disable the web push notification. That's still pending. We have to do R&D. But at least we have learned something about Firefox profiles, how to set in the Firefox options and open them here. That is a learning from today's session. Normal profile will open, maybe will not get the, you see extensions are not coming this one. It's a new session is coming here. So that's the thing that proves that how to use Firefox options, but how to disable web push notifications still pending. Any doubts, any questions? Guys, any doubts or any questions? Keep trying and we'll find the solution. Don't worry. This happens. That's okay. So here we have something like today's notes, same notes will be there. If you have any questions, meanwhile, you can ask me, guys. While I post all this stuff, today's notes, today's code. Yeah, at least this profiles code is there, but this is not working still, but I'll still upload properties, notes. So this assignment, still this is pending work, right? We will keep that like assignment, and I'll be uploading the recording soon. So we have learned something anyhow. So I'll be using this recording, no problem. Okay, guys. Any questions? Any more questions? Nigora, keep trying. Thanks for supporting me during the session, Nigora. But keep trying. Maybe you will get a solution. Yeah. Fine. Any others? Any questions from today's session? Any questions from today's session? Anyone else? No, I think so. So that's all for today's session, guys. We'll meet evening crash course. Okay, at 8 p.m. IST. Till then, bye everyone.